Oh, there we go. Please stay on. Oh, we're back at the loch today to try to get a fish on the budgie and dogfly. Basically, I got some budgie feathers from the bottom of the budgie cage. Used some of the white feather for the tail of the fly, then dipped a couple tips of the wings into some super glue and used them as little wings on the top of the fly. Then the body is some spaniel hair donated by the dog after his last haircut. I basically just wrapped that around the shank of the hook, and there's a bead on the end of the fly just to make it look a bit more like a nymph or something like that. I tried doing another fly previously, a dry fly, that didn't work out, so this is what I ended up with. It looks rubbish, honestly. Like, I could have done a much better job, but there's so many fish in here, it shouldn't be much of a problem. I'm excited to try it, but yeah, it looks rubbish. Well, we'll give it a go. I've seen fish rising already, so there's some there. Yeah, let's have a cast. That was a bite. Oh, and it followed it right in. That was the same fish. Well, I've only had a few casts, so that's promising. I was pulling it faster that time. Oh, there we go. Oh, yes. Stay on. I saw that some rings on the surface. Oh. Man. Such a big hook. I've just got a little bit of a crack in it now. That doesn't look great. I could just tear through, actually. Let's hope it lives long enough for another fish to... Oh no, I've only got a little bit of wing left. Fish. Oh, there we go. Please stay on. Oh, please stay on. This needs to stay on because I don't think I'll have any budgie left once this is chewed it for a bit. I really don't want to bully it, but come on. I'm giving this the exact amount of give you should give a fish because I can't risk it. Oh, I'm concentrating so hard. Come on. He's almost there. Oh, we've done it. I can breathe now. Finally. There he is. Oh, and there's the fly just came out right there. Now that was intense. I really thought I was going to come off there. Alright. We did it unbelievably. We did it finally after missing maybe 4 or 5 fish, something like that. Well, that's it done. Shows you it is possible, even with my rubbish fly tying. I've always wanted to catch a fish on pet feathers and fluff and stuff, you know. But we've done it now. Thanks for watching.